Good morning. Happy Monday. Trevor and I are starting off the day by working out. Ooh yeah. So we're gonna do a little workout really quick and probably make some lunch afterwards. Wanna open all the windows? Yeah. Get some fresh air, fresh energy. Okay, hi guys. Trevor and I did a little workout. Excuse how I look. We're just gonna go crazy, you know what I'm saying? But I did get another package. It's like every single day I get a package, you guys. You guys just get to see it now because I'm vlogging. I have no idea what this is. I genuinely don't. I've ordered so many things recently, and also I've been put on so many PR lists recently, so it's kind of like Christmas every day when I open a package. So far, it's like it might be Pacifica. Oh my god, Winky Lux! Okay, so this is a package from Winky Lux. So they did DM me and ask if I could be put on their PR list a while ago. That's really cool. So what is this, liquid blush? Kind of fun getting PR packages on like days that I don't know what I want to film. This is really pretty packaging. It's a liquid, oh my god, what? I was not expecting that, wow. Okay, so here's one cream blush in a little orange shade and then another one in a pink shade. Those are both very cute. This is a lip oil and that is the shade. Hello. Another liquid blush in Noble. Another one in Queen, okay. I'm gonna have to try these out. And then, what is this? I'm intrigued. Ooh. Pink Opal Collection. Ooh. What is this in here? I love when PR packages come with something like random. Oh my god, it's a fucking bracelet. It's never gonna fit on my wrist. Look at the bracelet. I'm gonna have to try these out in a video. Thank you, Winky Lux. Love you girls. On another note, I'm gonna make some tea today. I'm having wild raspberry hibiscus. I'm gonna do 2 of these little guys. I'm gonna let that steep for a little bit. Quick intermission because I just hit the most amount of followers I've ever had on TikTok. Woo! 178,000. I'm manifesting 200,000.
Next week.
Next week. I'm excited because I really want like a refreshing drink after that workout. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna add lemon. I wish I had coconut water. Mmm! Taste test. Look how beautiful this looks. I was supposed to put coconut water and lemonade in it. That's good.
That's pretty good.
I see what coconut water and lemonade would do. Okay, now I'm gonna make a sandwich for lunch. Hey guys, I just took a bath and now we're going to the gas station because Trev wants a Red Bull. I wanted to go get dirty sodas. Dirty sodies.
Oh, we can get one for you.
The soda shop that's in our town like went viral on TikTok, so you guys might have seen them. Okay, we're gonna go get some bevs.
We're going to get dirty sodas right now.
Dirty sodies.
Dirty sodies.
And Trevor got a really weird one.
She calls it weird? She calls it weird?
Weird, babe.
How is it weird?
You got a Dr. Pepper with almond, Irish cream, strawberry puree, and a gummy shark, and coconut cream. Have you ever had those flavors together?
It's like, babe, think about it. It's like, dude, oh my God, this is a perfect way to put it. It's like you're at a beach, right? Because you got the shark in the distance, you got the Dr. Pepper in your hand, you got the almonds on the trees, you got the fucking coconut cream from the coconuts on the trees.
You have a shark attack because you got strawberry puree.
Exactly. See? She gets it. It's just I have to help her understand it.
Crazy.
What the fuck, bro?
It's funny that we spent $12 to $15 on 2 sodas.
But they're dirty sodas.
But they're dirty.
But they talk dirty to us. Little fucking sluts. Okay, you guys are gonna really have to ignore our dryer. Remember what we said about needing a new one here soon? Yeah. We got some dirty sodies. As my colleague was trying to say, we just got dirty sodies and we're gonna try them now. This is what mine is. Diet Coke, lime juice, coconut cream, fresh lime, make it fluffy. Okay, you go. Okay, mine is 32-ounce Dr. Pepper, strawberry puree, almond, Irish cream, coconut cream with gummy sharks. And he was fucking hating on me saying, ooh. It looks like poop, but strangely, it's not bad. Let me try it. It's not bad. I might have been on something there. Okay, I'm really excited to try mine because if you see, it just looks fucking pussy looking. Yeah. Yours is really good, weirdly. They didn't cheap out on the gummy sharks either. They're the good ones? Mm-hmm. Yours is good. What the fuck? You were hating hard too. Literally I was, but yours is really fucking good. We also got these, which we didn't even know we were getting them. And they're scratch offs. Here you go. Apparently, if you're feeling lucky, you can scratch and see. Or scratch and sniff. Whatever you prefer. Bitches, bro. Fuck you. Same. What? Nah, these are a scam, bro. Scammed. Better luck next time. It's very good. Now I'm gonna edit my video. It's very good. Now I'm gonna go take a bath. Okay, everybody say bye to Trev because he's going to stream now. Okay, now I'm gonna start dinner even though I just got a package. Okay, I have to start artichokes, which I don't really know how to make artichokes. I mean, I've made them before, but I don't remember how to make them. I'll update you guys, but I'm making artichokes for dinner right now. Okay, I think I also decided that I'm gonna be making molasses cookies because I just found molasses and I was like, that sounds so good.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Okay, while Trev streams and I finish dinner, I did get one more package. We're gonna open this one together. It's from Shein. Wait, what? What is all this? Oh my god, it might be makeup. I think that this is She Glam makeup. So let's see. Oh my god, it totally is. Okay, fuck yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so they sent the liquid blushes, but I think they sent every shade. There's some of them. Here's the shades. There's like a dark reddish maroon, a bright red, a purple. Okay. They also sent another one of these little paw brushes, which I love so much. They literally sent me every single color of their blush, which I love this blush so much. My favorite is Love Cake, but now I'm gonna have to try all of these. Okay, hell yeah, dude. Thank you, Shein, or She Glam. I got a bunch of new makeup today, and I'm honestly really happy about it. I didn't film anything today for TikTok, but tomorrow I think I'm gonna probably film multiple videos because, yeah, I need to get some videos stocked.
On shop. Sepinochi J. Hang about Jesus or the way he's living.
I don't think I ever showed how the cookies turned out, so here they are. It's like 12 now, and Trevor and I are getting ready to go to bed, but I thought I would say goodnight to you guys here. These turned out so
Oh my god, they were
delicious.
Amazing.
My cheeks are all red because I've been laying under the heated blanket, but I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Okay, love you. Bye.
Good night, guys.